In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Intuit Quickbooks 2025 step by step. First, open your web browser and go to quickbooks.com. Sign into your account using your regular credentials. If you manage more than one company, make sure you're in the correct company before you proceed, since the subscription you cancel applies to the company you currently have selected. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the screen and click the small gear icon labeled Settings. From the menu that opens, choose Subscriptions and Billing. On that page, you'll see details about your plan and billing cycle. Find the option that says Cancel Subscription and click it. If you don't see this option, double check that you're signed in as the primary admin or the billing contact, as only those roles can cancel. QuickBooks will guide you through a short cancellation flow. Follow the prompts on screen, select a reason for canceling when asked, and then choose Continue to Cancel. Review any final messages about your access and billing, and confirm the final cancellation to finish. After you complete these steps, a confirmation email will be sent to the address on file, so keep an eye on your inbox for that message. For QuickBooks Online, there are a few important things to know after you cancel. You'll still be able to view your data for a limited time, which gives you a window to export what you need. Once that access period ends, your data may be permanently deleted. To protect your records, download your reports before canceling or during that limited access window. A solid set of backups typically includes your profit and loss report, balance sheet, and general ledger, along with your customer and vendor lists. Exporting to Excel or saving PDFs works well, and keeping those files in a secure, backed-up location is a good habit for year-end reviews, audits, or future reference. That's the full process. Head to quickbooks.intuit.com and sign in. Open Settings with the gear icon. Go to Subscriptions and Billing. Click Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts. Select your reason. Continue to cancel and confirm. Then watch for the confirmation email and make sure you've saved the reports and lists you'll want to keep. If this walkthrough helped, consider pausing on each step as you try it yourself. Taking a moment to verify the right company and backing up your key reports will make the transition smooth and stress-free.